Do you see all these little holes? This is from Japanese beetles, which I've been picking off a lot. So they're kind of ruining the flower if I want to keep them. I mean, they're pretty just in the garden, but if I want to cut them, I've got to protect them. So I'm going to put some little bags around each one so that I don't have to have petals that look like that. I'll show you. There is one doing the damage right there. So first I'm going to put him in soapy water. It's for sure him. And then I'll cover up the flowers. So I have these little mesh bags that you can put over flowers. They might be a little too big for this, I'm not sure. It's sort of going to be an experiment. But I put it over and I cinched it tight. I've gone ahead and clipped it here so it doesn't push on the flower because I'm just not sure how it'll open, but it's sort of an experiment, which is part of gardening. Use what you got, see how it works, and go from there. Okay, a little trick I figured out with these mesh bags is that if you turn them inside out, they give you a little bit more of room and sort of stay open so they won't crush the flower. So they're staying more puffy and round instead of squeezing them down. So if you are going to try this method, I would open them up and put them inside out, and that way they form more of a bubble around the flower. This is what it looks like, cinched at the bottom, and I will show you the after when it's done. These are the coneflowers that were under mesh bags, and you can see they worked.